Defects of vision. In this module, you will learn about the defects of vision and their correction. You must have seen some people around you wearing spectacles. They wear spectacles because they are not able to see things comfortably without it. This means that their vision suffers from defects. The condition in which a person cannot see objects distinctly and comfortably, or the vision becomes blurred, is called the defect of vision. There are mainly three common defects of vision. These are myopia or nearsightedness, hypermetropia or farsightedness, and presbyopia. These defects can be corrected by the use of spectacles having suitable spherical lenses. Let us learn about these defects and their correction in detail. Let us start with myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. A person with myopia can see the nearby objects clearly, but cannot see the distant objects distinctly. A person with this defect has the far point nearer than infinity. In a myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina. This defect may arise due to the decrease in the focal length of the eye lens or the elongation of the eyeball. This defect can be corrected by using a concave lens. A concave lens increases the focal length of the eye lens and brings the image back on the retina, and thus the defect is corrected. Let us now learn about hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as farsightedness. A person with hypermetropia can see the distant objects clearly, but cannot see the nearby objects distinctly. The near point for these persons is farther away from the normal near point, 25 centimeters. Such a person has to keep reading material much beyond 25 centimeters from the eye for comfortable reading. This is because the light rays from a close-by object are focused at a point behind the retina. This defect arises either because the focal length of the eye lens has become too long or the eyeball has become too small. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens. The convex lens decreases the focal length of the eye lens and forms the image on the retina. Let us now understand what presbyopia is. With aging, most people find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably and distinctly, that is, the near point gradually recedes. This defect is called presbyopia. It arises due to the gradual weakening of the ciliary muscles and the diminishing flexibility of the eye lens. Sometimes in this case, a person may suffer from both myopia, nearsightedness, and hypermetropia, farsightedness. Such people require bifocal lenses. A bifocal lens consists of both concave and convex lenses. The upper portion consists of a concave lens which facilitates distant vision. The lower part is a convex lens which facilitates near vision. These days, it is possible to correct the defects of vision with contact lenses or through laser surgeries. Let's recap. The condition in which a person cannot see the objects distinctly and comfortably, or the vision becomes blurred, is called defect of vision. There are mainly three common defects of vision. These are myopia or nearsightedness, hypermetropia or farsightedness, and presbyopia. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly, but cannot see distant objects distinctly. This defect can be corrected by using a concave lens. A person with hypermetropia can see distant objects clearly, but cannot see nearby objects distinctly. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens. With aging, most people find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably and distinctly. This defect is called presbyopia. A person with presbyopia requires bifocal lenses which consist of both concave and convex lenses.